Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Pisces. This is your daily tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Pisces. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll give a message. That is the message from your person, what they feel about you, or what you feel about your person. Okay, Pisces. Two of Wands, the World. Six of Wands, guys. Pisces, with these cards, I feel things are going as you had wished for. Everything is falling into place, taking place as you had visioned. Okay, today, and you're feeling you're fortunate, maybe in your work or in your relationship, and you are having luck, happiness, and success today. Some things are changing. Maybe you are moving to a different place for work, maybe to a different country, different city. Some kind of voyage is there. You're taking up some kind of voyage because of your what to say, promotion, or something very positive, guys. It's denoting success, these cards. You are happy how things are going, and you are trying to adjust yourself to these changes happening so fast. And maybe this may also be the energy regarding your relationship. Maybe your person is coming towards you, they are taking the first step towards you, they are coming to propose to you, maybe for some of you all. Or if you are with this person, maybe you're taking a trip, a holiday with them, and you're happy how things are going. So you're enjoying, having a good time. You're trying to adjust to the new changes taking place in your life, Pisces. That may also be the energy here. You are trying to, what to say, accommodate something. Maybe your person, maybe you're moving in together. So you are, what to say, adjusting your life for that. Some kind of adjustments are happening today, but it is all for the, what to say, it is all a positive kind of adjustment, guys. Maybe some of you all feel you are being used. Someone is trying to, what to say, betray you, or jealous of you, but that may be a minor, what to say, a very small part of this day. Maybe some kind of argument, something, but it is very not to be concerned about. Okay, but overall it is a very positive kind of energy here, guys. You're spending good time with your person, you're going on a trip, maybe something of that sort. You're having a good time. Maybe you are uh, not yet stepping into a committed relationship, but you're spending time with them, and you're having a good time. So that is the kind of energy here, Pisces. Let me pick three more cards, guys. Let's we'll get a better clarity of our situation. Okay, Pisces. Just like I said, you're having a very good time with your person, or maybe this may be regarding your work. You may be very good at your work. You're what to say, you're qualified for that work, and you're feeling fortunate, successful today. But some decisions what you have made, that may be immature. Okay, something maybe this relationship is new, or maybe this work is new, some kind of new, uh, you have newly started here, you're a beginner. That may also be the energy here, guys. So instead of seeing everything from your using your past memory, you just have to have a fresh look at things, guys. That is the energy here, Pisces. And for some of you all, just like I said, that may be very minor, some kind of doubts, some kind of betrayal energy, that kind of energy is there today. So maybe some of you all feel you are feeling used, maybe in your work, or in your relationship. Maybe you feel this person is trying to what to say, just to have a good time, they're spending with you, they're spending time with you, just to have a good time for themselves. Okay, so that may be your feeling. Some of you all may be daydreaming today, feeling a little distracted also, some kind of confusions, but nothing major. Other than that, things are going in a very smooth way, but you have these little problems coming up here and there. So you need to face all those with a fresh outlook, guys. That is the energy here, Pisces. When you do that, you will find the solution. Instead of having your own preconceived ideas about anything, when you see everything fresh for the first time, you view it differently from a different perspective. That way you'll understand what is the problem, and you will have the solution immediately, guys. So that is the energy here, Pisces. So let me pick out the message, guys. This is what your person feels about you, or what you feel about your person. You have taught me what love is all about. You know how to put me first. You respect my decision. Okay, guys, this person feels very cherished in your relationship, and they like the way you treat them every day and how you feel about them, and they they are they are they have the feeling that you have taught them that, that how you can love unconditionally. So that is the message from your person. This is what your person feels about you, or what you feel about your person. So that is the energy here, guys. So some kind of doubts and what to say, doubts and confusions are there, but those are minor. Maybe this may be your person's energy towards you. They may feel this relationship is what to say, just the beginning. Maybe this is just the beginning, and they may not feel very what to say, um, they may not have that feeling to step up and propose. Maybe they feel it is still immature to decide so fast in this relationship. so they are having that few confusions. Okay, though you are having a good time, this person may feel a little doubt and confusion to propose to you. They want to wait, take their time to decide. That may also be the energy here, Pisces. So that may be the reason for this confusion energy. Other than that, this relationship is very good. You are having a good time with this person. So this may be your energy also towards your person. You may feel it is quite immature to take any solid decisions. So maybe it is a time to wait, guys. Be in the relationship and get an understanding. So that is a reading for today, Pisces. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Pisces.